Boomhauer 69 here, and here's a black hunting knife. Here's what it looks like in the package. It says made in Pakistan. It's a Pakistani stainless steel blade with comfort grips, like it says on the packaging. Here's what the actual knife looks like. And here's how you open it, like that. Here's what the other side looks like. Here's how you properly grip it. And to close it, you just hit this little button here like all 40 knives. It's just a standard 40 knife. I like this because it's got a lot of heft to it, and it's a nice big knife. That's what I like about it. But again, there it is.